When you forget your password, a serious website does not email it back. It makes you create a new one. Why? They genuinely do not know your password. They never knew it. Not when you signed up, not when you logged in this morning. And yet, they can still tell instantly whether you typed it correctly. Today we find out how, using the idea underneath almost everything else in cryptography. The tool is a hash function. Feed it anything, a word, a password, a whole book, and it produces a short string of fixed length. One letter gives a fingerprint of that size. A 1,000-page novel gives one the same size. The crucial part is direction. Forwards is instant. Backwards is, for practical purposes, impossible. The everyday version is a blender. Throw in strawberries, press the button, you have a smoothie. Now reverse it. Nothing about the smoothie is hidden. You are staring right at it, and it is still hopeless. You cannot get the fruit back. Hashing is that done deliberately with mathematics. So here's the answer. When you sign up, the site hashes your password and stores only the fingerprint. The password itself is thrown away. When you log in, it hashes what you typed and compares fingerprints. Match, and you're in. Nothing on that server holds your password, so it cannot be emailed to you. It is not there. Which is why you read that a company was breached, but the passwords were hashed. Better news, because the attackers stole fingerprints, not passwords. But it's no magic shield. An attacker can guess a common password, hash it, and hunt for that fingerprint in the stolen pile. So real systems add a pinch of randomness to each password first, called a salt, so identical passwords still get different fingerprints. Now the second use, and it is everywhere. Because the fingerprint changes completely if anything changes, it's a perfect tamper detector. Download a file, hash it yourself, compare it with the publisher's advertised. If they match, your copy is identical, bit for bit. If one bit was altered on the way, the fingerprint is unrecognizable. This is how software updates and app stores check they gave you what they promised. So here's the big picture. A hash function turns any input into a short, fixed-length fingerprint, instant forwards and hopeless backwards, where the smallest change rewrites the whole output. That eyes two things. You can check a secret without storing it and prove nothing has been altered. But notice what hashing cannot do. It does not hide your message. It destroys it. No key, no way back, not even for you. Which is useless if what you want is to send something private and have somebody read it at the other end. For that, you need something reversible, something that locks rather than shreds. Next time.